Hello viewers, so welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you today top 5 exclusive intro makers free. Number 1, Filmora. Filmora is a full video editing software that you can try out for free. Making an animated intro is just one of the many things that it can do. This video editor is easy for anyone to learn, even if they have never edited video before. Number 2, Panjoid. Head on over to panjoid.com and you will find Clipmaker, Panjoid's 2D 3D animation tool that you can work on strategic from your internet browser, and you don't even have to download it into your computer. You can either make your own animation or make custom changes to pre-made animation projects. There's a lot of tools that claim to be free, but many of them limit the resolution of your downloadable video or come with a watermark of their brand. Panjoid, on the other hand, lets you download your final video at up to 4K resolution with no watermark. Number 3, Ballinger. Ballinger is a free open source 3D intro creator tool, but unlike Panjoid, you will have to download and run it from your computer. You can either create something from scratch or work off templates that others have already made and shared over the internet. Number 4, movietools.info. Although it isn't especially for making video intros, movietools.info is an online resource full of many free video loops that you can use to make intros. All you have to do is download a video loop that you like, import it into the timeline of your video editor, and then place text over it. Number 5, RenderFX. With a free account, you can create a download up to their 1080 pixel YouTube intro videos, like most of the professional intro making tools out there. However, your free intro videos will come with a watermark unless you are willing to pay more. What I like more about RenderFX compared to its competitors is that its watermark is not as big. That's the top 5 ways to make free YouTube intros. If you haven't already, click the link below to download free YouTube intros to use on your next video. Thanks for watching. If it is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.